Hey everybody, I am Kina Kraves and I am back with another video for y'all today. Y'all know those regulars. If this is your very first time here, go ahead and hit the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And how's everybody doing today? Are y'all hungry? I am. Let's eat. Y'all, I have my Big Jack. Y'all know Big Jack is back. Big Jack back now. I have lettuce, tomato, onion on my Big Jack burger. And I also have a salad because the burger is so big. I'm going to put the salad on the plate though. But, you know, I have a salad here. I'm going to go ahead and say my grace, y'all, and then we can go ahead and eat. And I also got an ice drink. So let me say my grace so my burger won't get cold. Amen. Amen, amen. How y'all doing? I got the salad duded up. Duded up is not a word, but that's how I got this salad. And I don't want to take it all out the bowl. Like, nobody in my house eats the salad but me. But when I get ready for it, I want it to still be in the bowl. I'm still putting some of the toppings and stuff that I had on there. I'm going to go ahead and assemble my burger, y'all. Y'all, let me tell you what just happened. My friend from college, years ago, called me. My friends from college years ago called me. And y'all, we've been on the phone just chatting it up. I had my burger just like how y'all seen it. I had just got it out of the oven. And me and Tiffany, that was my friend, y'all. So with a burger, I like ranch dressing. And this is Hidden Valley Ranch. And it's light. I got some barbecue sauce from George Hughes. I might dip my burger in. Yeah, my daddy taught me how to make a salad. I'm hungry too. I wanted a burger. I kept saying to myself today, like, what am I going to eat? What am I going to eat? And I just had a taste for a burger. I'm like, well, I haven't done a burger this month for my channel. Y'all know, I told you I could eat the same thing all the time. Look. Yeah, guess what happened to me. So y'all watched the video last night, yesterday with the, what you call that? George Hughes is sugar-free. I'm gonna put this little tab right here. I actually put it in my burger mix, y'all. Free game, free game. But when I'm eating a taco, a piece of shell or something got stuck in my tooth, like in my gum, like in between it, y'all. My tooth been hurting. It's swollen. I messed it up. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. Y'all, I worked in this shirt. Y'all done seen this shirt before, and I cooked in this shirt. So please don't give me a hard time and say, you had that shirt on. I have. I've worn it before. And I didn't intend on wearing it for the video, though. But I was on the phone with my friend. Peach nectarine, baby. Y'all, it's too. Ooh, this is an alright meal. Mm-hmm. It is. I had bought some a bag of white potatoes because I want to make some French fries too. But you know what I said? For all this right here, why would I need French fries? What I'm gonna do with them? I didn't lie. Mm. I just love my friend Tip, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all about her. And I'll tell y'all, I made some genuine friendships in college. People that really had my best interest in heart. For real. Her family was the first successful marriage I ever seen. They're still married to this day. Her parents have been married well over 30 years. Mm-hmm. They had her and her brother, 2 kids. I mean, awesome marriage. People go through stuff, but they had an awesome marriage. No, I went to college and came back home, honey, to this country state I live in, South Carolina, wearing wigs and everything, honey. And this was in 99, 2000. The girls wasn't ready for that. I'm up in them North Carolina folks, child. When I tell you she's a good friend. She had a baby. She has 2 sons that are teenagers. I think her oldest is 19 like mine. And her middle son, I think, is 14. And her baby, she got a newborn. She FaceTime me out of the blue, you know, through Messenger. I'm glad she did. That's all right. It's spicy. I need a salad refill, y'all. Oh, I done put my Bacos in here. I didn't want nothing to hurt my tooth, y'all. And on this right side here. Y'all ain't tired of me eating my burger, is you? Cause look now. Just bite the side. It's good, man. Delicious, huh? Yeah, I done got to the point. I'm gonna say, look. I have attachment issues. Somebody could do me so dirty, treat me so bad, or not treat me at all. It's my lettuce, sorry y'all. And I still be wondering why they ain't called, or I ain't talked to them, or heard from them. Yeah, I think I done got about over that. I'm over it. I'm gonna say this, honey. When you have to fight for a position in somebody's life, you don't need to be there. They don't want you there. You just there to fill time, to pass the time by for them. You might be there. There's signs. There are signs you probably in their life because you want them there, but no, they only want you around when they real friends ain't around, or the other people that they really care about. And it ain't nobody's fault but your own. You know when people don't like you. You know they don't fool with you for real. Especially when you always giving them praises. you know, telling them nice things and they don't tell you nothing. It's gonna be all right. Child. I've learned a lot of hard lessons this year. Baby, I have learned this year. I don't have nobody really. But my immediate family, got me, my sister, my man, and my children. I'm not saying I don't have associates. I'm not saying I don't have people. I don't hang out. When I have gatherings, no one comes. They'll come and eat and leave. I had when I first moved for my birthday, I had a sipping paint, smoking paint. That was nice. People came, painted or whatever. It was an alright time. I ain't gonna lie about that. I am not gonna lie. It was an alright time. That was for my birthday, my first year here in this house. I got the step ladder. All in the way. Too late now. It's been nice. Y'all seen it. But as far as somebody who is I don't have, man. I do. I have about 5 close friends. I do. That's been rocking with me for 10 years or more. They know who they are. Kim, Diana, Denise. Those ladies know. And I don't have to talk to them every day. They don't expect anything from me. If they have a function for anything and I can't make it, they don't get mad, you know, because they know things happen. And I don't get mad. But, you know, when I do have things, they'll come. If it's about gone, y'all. I give them enough time, enough notice. But yeah, I don't really have much holding me here in the state. I manifest. Sorry about this again. I'm getting out of the state. Baby, when I leave South Carolina, I ain't looking back. Now, mind you, I have some cousins that are around the same age, that we are around the same age. Now, in our family, it's hard. In my family, our parents and grandparents were all pregnant at the same time. I'm not lying. My mama, all my cousins' mom, like 5 or 6 of us, probably 6 or 7 of us, was pregnant around the same time. Then, when they got pregnant again, like my sister age, she's 2 years younger than me. All of them was pregnant around the same time. So I have a lot of cousins that's my age. My sister got a lot of cousins that's her age. My brother got a lot. Like, for real, that's just how it happened. Me and a lot of my cousins were pregnant at the same time. A lot of us got 19-year-old children. For real, I'm not lying. We don't know how it happened like that. But that's how it happened. So, now, I'm not going to say that those are, you know, cousins are your first best friends. They are considered your friends too. But, you know, they're family. They're cousins, and we are close. And I know if I move out of state, they're going to come. But as far as me, like, having, like, immediate parents, you know, because my parents are deceased. I don't have any grandparents, really. Biological grandparents that's, you know, that I feel like, oh, I can't leave my mama, or I can't leave my dad, I can't leave. And I don't have, and my friends that I consider my friends, they will come visit. And they don't mind. And I come back and visit them too. But, like, I don't have anything that I just gotta stay in South Carolina for. Y'all, I ate just about all this burger because I was hungry. Look, I went to work at 12. I didn't get there till late because I had an eye appointment. I ate before I left, and I had just ate some like a piece of rotisserie chicken and some bread. So I worked the rest of the hour. I got at 4 o'clock, 3:30, 4 o'clock. I hadn't had nothing to eat. So look, I ate this. I was real. This is what happens when you're starving. I was starving. I was so ready to eat. I was like inches from eating, and I heard a call through the messenger. I said, "Who's that?" It was my friend Tiffany. I'm so glad she called. After me seeing that dead body on the ground yesterday, I told y'all my last video. Child, I ain't taking nothing for granted no more, honey. Ain't nobody gonna make me mad and make me feel bad. Make me feel like I'm not doing enough. Make me feel like, you know, I'll do the best I can. I ain't gonna take life for granted no more, I'll tell you that. I don't get mad about nothing. Especially about nothing petty. If it ain't about no whole bunch of money, or one of them bad cheering of mine, shit, I ain't finna get mad no more about nothing, honey. It ain't worth it. It ain't worth it. But y'all, I want y'all to stay crispy and crunchy, my Kravers. Y'all, we really on the road to 1K. Like, we really almost there. Can y'all believe it? We are almost there. Okay? I was hungry today. We're gonna not procrastinate, y'all. We're gonna tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend that we over here getting it in. Y'all gotta make sure y'all tell everybody. Yeah, people are gonna talk. People gonna say whatever they want to say about you, especially. And to you too, but we can't let that stop us, y'all, because the ones that mind, they don't matter. And the ones that matter, they don't mind, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back, y'all, tomorrow with another video. Good night.